Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can start receiving notifications for Facebook reminders. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Facebook app on your device. Please log into your account if you haven't already. Next, select the menu button and then tap on Settings and Privacy. Next, select Settings and then open Notifications under Preferences. Here, tap on the Reminders and then toggle on the button beside Allow Notifications on Facebook. And that's it. This is how you can allow notifications for Facebook reminders.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.